In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 2910 printer that is printing the blank pages, or if it's missing ink. For example, we can see it has printed but it's faded, like ink is not showing that much. So that means our printheads are clogged and we have to do the printhead cleaning. First, we will go to the printer control panel. Look at the ink icons. Right now we can see the ink cartridges are full. That means ink is there. It may be the printhead is clogged or ink is totally dry. To fix that, first we have to go to the laptop or your mobile and open the HP app. In the app section, scroll down and look for the option diagnostics. Click on the print quality tools. In this section, click on the clean printhead. Printer will print the print quality diagnostic report, and look at this report. If you see, everything is printed properly. If there are no missing ink or lines, that means your printhead is cleaned now. For example, I can see here there are some lines here. So just to remove that, I can do the same cleaning again. Go to the Windows 11 laptop. If you click on the clean again, then it will go to the level 2 cleaning, and in the level 2 cleaning it takes a lot of ink. So I don't recommend to do that because that will waste a lot of ink. Click on the done button and then click on the clean printheads again. So this will do the level 1 cleaning again. And make sure you also load the paper so that it can print the printer diagnostic sheet. So that's here, and we can see it has printed the page again. Let's check the print quality. So we can clearly see the print quality has improved and the lines are less. All the inks are showing up here. So that means we have cleared the clogged printhead and we can resume our printing. In case you see any of the ink is missing, then you can go for the cleaning again. If you don't see any ink at all, that means you need to change the printheads. Sometimes the ink is totally dry inside the printheads. Thanks for watching.